Hello there, my name is Emin EMCsoft, and today we will continue our Bitrix administration course, and we will discuss today contact center. The most important functionality of that contact center is open channel. Okay, so how contact center is working? I will show how contact center is working based on our portal, right? So in fact, we got many connections here, which is email, telephony, call tracking, and so on. But in fact, mostly you will use website widget, live chat, and particular connection of service you use, okay? For example, you install Call Center 24, and in Contact Center you will see it as a connection, Call Center 24 for WhatsApp, for WABA connection, right? And you should understand the main philosophy here is that you got connection, which is provided by developers, by us, for example. By the inside of a Bitrix, you got open channel, okay? So you need to connect open channel to this connection, okay? And today we'll discuss this open channel, and because it's the main thing here, the rest things is connect to open channel, like website widget, live chat, and so on. Okay, right. So to config open channel, actually you can't reach the open channel configuration directly. You need to go to the connection and then config it here. Okay, you need to set up a queue. Again, queue. Okay, so you can set up a queue right here, and you can configure configuration. Okay, but it's a bit useless. You need to only add this people here. Also, you can add the users here, and then you decide how they will get incoming messages to everybody evenly. It's quite the same. Actually, it's the same exactly as in queue. So only this guy will get incoming message, then if no, a second user will get it Frida after a minute, and so on. So you can use a check that agent is online when routing inquiries. In that case, it will be not assigned to Frida if she is not online. Okay, and limit simultaneous inquiries submitted to agents, not more than 5 inquiries per agent, and so on. But in fact, everybody used to everybody, and in that case, never use this because in case of all users will be not available online, you will just miss incoming message. So we face it that with some of our clients. Okay, so select users and select to everybody. Use employees user profile means that everybody will see like a name and picture. And then use open channel entries. You can put it manually and change all of this, and just put some general like company A welcome you or something like that. Okay, use employee profiles. Then verify client in CRM database means that if, for example, you see in WABA you got incoming message from certain phone number for WhatsApp, it will be connected to some certain contact. Okay. So it's quite useful thing. So you don't need to, in that case, it will be not verified, that lead always create again. You need to find the contact if you got previously contacted that person and merge them. Okay. So if client was not found in CRM, create new lead. So the same story is this one. If it find, it will be connected to existing lead. If not, create a new one. The same story of create a deal. Or create menu in chat window, means lead create a chat window, but lead creation is better. Okay, in our case, you can, for example, you got some incoming messages in WhatsApp, and you use our WABA, you can select this one, like call center WhatsApp. You need that to generate some reports, means that where from you got incoming leads. Transfer inquiry responsible person if client ID is recognized. So if you got, for example, if incoming message connected to lead deal, you got inside of lead deal, you got responsible person, and automatically will transfer him as a responsible person. Okay. And after change, lead responsible person when routing inquiry to another agent manually. So if, for example, somebody took the chat and he is responsible person for the chat, a lead responsible person will be automatically assigned to the same user. Okay, good. Now, working time. It's necessary to send some messages. So if somebody texts you out of this business hours, you can identify this message. Welcome to open channel. You have reached us outside of working hours. You receive your message and we reply you as soon as we're back. Thanks for your understanding. Okay, so that's why you need this. Or you can ignore it and people will have nothing. Just waiting for a reply. But it's quite useful. So if they got that message, they understand that you're not, behind your desk, and they can wait for you. Okay, cookie consent. Right. So because you may request for personal data like name, surname, email, phone number, you need to send them warning, right? That we are collecting that data and so on. So to create this consent, you can click edit. And you can create this consent, and clients will have this as a text. Okay, so we must read it. So I want to show you example. For example, we got this open channel, and so he said "Buenas tardes," and we got another message means that continue use the chat, consent to processing of your personal data. Let's click here, and he will see this. Consent of processing of personal data. Okay, now after actions, so if you got some message income, when clients send you a first message, you can send him automatic messages like welcome EMCsoft open channel, thanks for reaching out. Our agents are currently assisting with our clients about your questions, about us, and so on. Okay, so or you can use this every time. So like you're chatting with him, we close it. Chat, and once he start chatting, you can send this message to him again. Okay. Also, you can use your form to collect data. Okay. So mainly it's necessary for the open lines when you have widget on your website, and for example, somebody chat to you, your agents didn't reply. You can ask for collecting data from client to reply him later. Okay, so you can use this, select a form. So wait for customer first message, collect this form, and make accept an agent as a responsible person. Okay. Yeah, in that case, if somebody will chat with you in your website, you will never lose his contact details. And this contact us from CRM form, you can check this form, you can check in the forms. So I get inside of the CRM forms, and this is for contact CRM, contact us form. And so client will see that form inside this open channel on website to continue chat with you. Okay. Now, okay, uncheck this. We don't need that. And if first client message not answered for 15 minutes, you can put some text like, thanks for contacting us. All our audience currently busy. So means that not make your clients disappointed that you not reply him. 5 minutes is better, I think. Okay. Then if inquiry processed and completed. So when you close this open channel like this, using this button, you can close that conversation. Client will see that message. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day. Okay. Okay. Delay until inquiry is completely closed after it was marked as closed by agent. So it means that this open channel is completely closed and marked as closed inside of the system if, after only a day. And after a day, client will get this. We're closing this chat for now. If you need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. So it means that you close, the client will get this message. After a day, he will get this message. And so conversation timeout is that if conversation is more than 1 month, it will be closed automatically with that message. Okay, so you also got canned response. So for particular open channel, WhatsApp open channel, you can create some certain canned response. For example, also you can create it here inside of an open channel. Okay, so you can create it here, and for example, this WhatsApp Zilla open channel. But for example, if I got some other open channels, right? So I already got canned response. For example, for open channel EMCsoft support, I got canned response. Okay, yeah, so you can create it. If I click here, you will see this. Okay, and you can edit it. Right. I also got live typing. Live typing is when client, type something, you can see it. Actually, I mentioned it's already here, but it was a mistake. So enable chat trackers just means that, for example, if customer type you from Facebook, then from Instagram, and from WhatsApp, so if system will identify it, it will connect to one CRM object like little you. Now let's go quality assessment. Okay, so after conversation, once you hit end conversation, the client will get this. Please tell us how it did. Good, bad, or bad, good, or customer's rating request. So user can rate ongoing conversation during conversation, so he can send this rate. The rate is conversation. Enable conversation rating time constraints. So means after 1 day he will not able to do that. Okay, now chatbots. So you can add the chatbots from marketplace, which will help you to automatically talk with your clients. Okay. Response time KPI. Response time KPI is that if 120 seconds, if nobody reply, will get notification. To that user will get notification that this operator didn't reply during 120 seconds. Okay. And with the first message and after message, 5 minutes. So if first message didn't reply for 3 minutes, I will get notification. If didn't reply during 50 minutes for the other messages, subsequent messages, I will get this notification too. Okay. Then go other. Okay, so we need to put open channel name, channels active, inactive, confirm before closing chat. Yeah, and language on which you prefer to use this conversation. Okay, save. So you created open channel, and then this open channel connected to the connection, like call center 24 connection. And for example, if you go into web EMCsoft.io and you got this WhatsApp connection, your client will click open WhatsApp app. He will see this WABA, official WABA connection, which we got in call center 24. Okay, and you can say something like hello inside of call center WhatsApp. So message in that particular case, message come to Meta forwarded to our WABA integration, and you got inside of an open channel. So you need to hit reply, and these automations which we've done previously will be active here. Hello. Okay, And there will be automatic message hello with a message from EMCsoft. Welcome to EMCsoft open channel, which automatic message we set up previously, and this is my message hello. So if I type hello free, hello from WhatsApp. Okay, you got here an open channel. And if I will go to, if I use cannot response, okay, I will have it here. Okay, and also inside of this open channel, you can use connect file. Okay, and then you can select user. Also, you can use this dialogues. Like the most useful thing here is command, like rename title, and put like test WhatsApp chat. Okay, so it's the name here. You can use smile. You can send forms from the list. So this is a list of your forms. You can search it and send it here. And I will see this here. Okay. Also, quite useful thing here, whisper mode. So for example, if I will add some users here, so I can, by the way, I can add some users here like Vladimir. And I can type Vladimir, please take care of that client. Okay. Nobody will see that message except me and Vladimir. Okay, so you can send a link for the payment directly from here, start selling, select the products, and click send. And clients will click on it and go to the payment page. Also, we can add some additional features for our WhatsApp Zilla. We can translate messages. So for example, I can copy text here, select this, translate message, and put it to, for example, to Dutch, put in English, translate. So I will see what's that text mean in English. And vice versa, if I want to send this message to German and type it in English and click translate. And I click send, it's go to the client side. Also, yes, record a message available only for WhatsApp Zilla, but it will be available for call center 24 as well. So 123, 123, and send to chat. Okay. And I will check it here. So I see this translation, but it will be available for call center 24 as well. So 123, 123. Okay, and I got record. I can send voice record from open channel via WhatsApp. So also in the open channel, you can, so you got history here, you got what's progress, unanswered, yesterday, and etc. Also, you can add somebody to this chat, like, other users, which I already mentioned. You can transfer that chat to some users, like Vladimir. Okay, so it disappeared from my side. So I need to put it back to me. Go back to conversation. WhatsApp Zilla, start conversation. Okay, join again. And so I can close that conversation as finished conversation, or if it's the same, microspam is the same finish with no reaction, right, to client side. And take conversations, take the conversation for Vladimir, make responsible that conversation to myself. Yeah. So Vladimir responsible here. Now me responsible. Okay. So I can say that to CRM means that it's not saved. I can put it to create a lead to deal. In that case, lead was created. Right, so this is about open channels. So it's the main thing which you will use it with your Bitrix. And next time I will tell you how you can connect this open channel to website widget and to live chat. Because you make a live chat available on your website, you need to connect open channel to a live chat and a live chat to a website widget. Okay, so I'll explain that later. Okay, so if you like that video, click like. If you got any questions regarding that video, please ask your questions in comments under that video. Thank you and bye-bye.